All right, I recorded this like 1 year ago, and the only reason I guess I'm releasing it like it's special, putting it out there is because my music bed subscription expires November. So I'm done with music bed. Got to get rid of this video. It's a year old. Battle Creek, riding the Onewheel, same old shit. Take film photos. It was fall. Um, there's like this courthouse thing with all these columns, and I'm riding and zipping around, dicking around there for like 20 minutes, and eventually, security guard comes out. I'm like, oh, here we go, attitude time. But of course, he just had questions about the Onewheel, and then kindly asked me to leave. Like the Onewheel gets you out of everything. Everybody wants to talk to you. Everybody wants to know shit. You know, did you build it? How much does it cost? Yada, yada, yada. Like, there's just so many random questions. What the fuck is that? I get that all the time. So, year ago, Battle Creek.